I'm Rebecca Robeson, and welcome back to Becoming Kinwoven. It's been a few months since I've touched base with you, so I kind of want to give you an update and tell you where we are with a lot of very big and exciting things going on in our lives. And we'll catch you up on where we last left you off. The Cliff House project was getting closer and closer to completion.
There's a jacuzzi, a big barbecue, there's a water feature over here, and then I have actually more outdoor furniture going into this property than I have indoor furniture going into it.
Really?
There's over 100 pieces of outdoor furniture.
And we had just gotten back from Charleston in South Carolina, which was one of the potential cities we were considering relocating to.
The iced tea, dear.
This kind of reminds me of the new builds we saw in Oklahoma,
No, you're thinking.
Tulsa,
No, you're thinking.
Boise,
No, you're thinking.
Texas,
Where in Texas?
Ashton.
Speaking of relocating, we have an update.
But before we tell you where we've decided to move to, let's check in on the Cliff House project.
Look how pretty that is.
So this project is totally coming along. Do you know where I'm sitting right now? That is the Pacific Ocean, which is my Cliff House project. That is the cliff. This is the house. We are at the project, and yes, it is happening as we speak.
Look at my stone. Woo!
By the time you guys see this, this place is gonna be rockin' and rollin', baby. The team is spending an entire month getting this house ready for the reveal. In about 12 hours, our first shipment or delivery of furniture is here. Less than 24 hours from now. So one of the things I do in my practice is that I don't bring things into the house as they come. You guys know I do an install. Well, everything that I've ordered over a period of time is delivered to a storage company and a delivery company called Mahogany Run. They're the best.
Okay, so what is your name?
Corey.
Corey?
Yes.
Guess what I'm gonna do, Corey? I'm gonna give you a name tag. Okay. Because I like to call people by their name, and I can't remember everyone's name.
Right.
I go to Mahogany Run in advance.
You have a Gucci mask, of course you do. Good Lord.
Because it is the only way that I know that everything I ordered is here.
I'm wondering if there might be a rug rolled in with it. In the event that that other rug is in there, then we would be finding it.
It's the color I thought it was gonna be, it's the size I thought it was gonna be, it's broken or it's not, and that's the only way I can for sure 100% guarantee perfect install.
So far that looks really good. What I do with my phone, that is like the $24,000 question these days. Love it.
But that's not all we've been up to, because Sharrah and Tyler have some very special news all their own.
Hi, Sam. I was just called a little while ago with the results from the NIPT test. My name is Sharrah Stevens. You guys offered to tell me the gender on the phone, and then I had asked you just to mail it, but we kind of changed our mind, and I was wondering if there's a way that you could tell me the gender.
All right. Are you sure you want me to tell you the sex?
Yes.
Okay.
We're having a baby.
It's a boy.
Okay, thank you so much. I honestly have been dreaming of becoming a mom for so long, so we are super excited to be adding this new little addition to our family. A lot of you guys know this, but if you've been watching my channel, you know that I have been decorating a bunch of my friends' nurseries over the past few years, and I'm finally excited to get to decorate my very own nursery.
Oh my God.
Oh my God! Are you kidding me? Oh my God! I'm speechless. Sharrah, this is amazing.
We do, and we're gonna tell you.
Not right now, though. So you want to know our baby boy's name?
Sawyer Charles Stevens. Isn't it cute when you say it, Stevens? Yeah, it's better when you say it that way. Baby Sawyer is actually gonna be here this Thanksgiving. Not only is he gonna be here soon, but we have to finish the Cliff House project. We have to plan out his nursery, and we have to decorate for Christmas, all before he arrives. And we cannot forget about the fact that we gotta pack up our whole life and move across country.
That's right, we have officially decided which city we're moving to. As you know, from the beginning of this year, we set out on a journey to go across the United States and find the perfect home to relocate Kinwoven. Okay, where is our car?
We worked with a relocation coach to identify 20 cities all across the country that might be a good fit. After lots of analysis and prayer, we narrowed it down to our top 5 cities and hit the road. Over the last few months, we visited Austin, Dallas, Tulsa, Boise, and Charleston in search of our new home.
Excuse me, I'd like that margarita, please. We're eating cheese platter.
Cheese platter, huh?
And we've got a glass of wine. She's excited about that. I think that's her way of saying, cut. Well, we've made our decision. Are you ready to know where we've decided to move? Kinwoven is moving to Tulsa! Oklahoma, where the wind comes sweeping down the plain. Is it the train?
Now, I'll be honest, when we started this journey, Tulsa was not at the top of our list.
Oklahoma, where my hat is about to fly away. Da, 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 da.
But when we analyzed the city's characteristics against what we were looking for in our ideal city, we knew we had to visit.
So when we visited last January, we were all pleasantly surprised. This is like the oil capital of the world back in the 20s. So all of these homes have such rich history and architecture. Not only that, but they have this amazing park called the Gathering Place. It felt big enough so we don't feel like we're in the middle of nowhere, but it's totally small enough to feel like we have neighbors and the community feel, and really get involved in the community and feel like you're still having an impact.
I mean, they put us on the news.
The only thing holding us back was if Tulsa had the natural beauty we were looking for in a new city. It was the middle of winter when we first visited, so we didn't exactly see the city at its best. But then we went back in the spring.
It was literally the most beautiful thing I've ever seen. And you guys know how I have a thing for trees. What I want is a tree. That's all I know. Once I saw the trees with actual leaves on them, I knew that we had found our home.
Lovely trees.
You guys, we're moving to Tulsa.
I told you we had a lot of news. But before we leave California, we still have our work cut out for us on this amazing project. Not a bad place to spend your last summer in sunny San Diego. Thanks so much for watching. We hope you and your families are safe and healthy, and just know, we've missed you guys. So glad that you're back with us today. And remember, one of the next things you're gonna see from this channel is going to be the reveal of this house. If you'd like to see a really close-up look, join the design sessions on my website. All right, you guys, I will see you next time. Love you. Bye-bye.
Next time on Becoming Kinwoven.
All right, we're on our way. We just landed in Tulsa. We're heading to a potential house that we really like.
Woo.
Nervous?
I'm nervous, I'm excited. Oh my God. This is unbelievable.